Change the tire. Do you mean to make the noises?
I don't know how I'm gonna have to make this not interactable after that, I guess. So that it just falls.
Oh, because your tire rolled away?
Yeah.
Do you want the controller to hide on that?
We probably should, yeah. We're gonna have to set those to, that'd be way better, yeah. 'Cause then you can't.
It feels like you're going to hit the controller on the tire, even though that's not really a thing.
At least it's realistic when you have to get down like this, right?
That's right. Need a little pad to put your knees on.
And then it should, I don't know if this part works yet, because I'm going to try and fix it.
Oh, to tighten it.
Yeah, to tighten it. No. Well, the back nut shows up, you see that?
Yeah.
It doesn't disappear yet. What if you could take it?
So you can take it back off?
You can take them back off.
And grab the tire back off?
You can grab the tire back off, yeah.
So it's like a NASCAR pit simulator? What are all those? Why does it show you all those drop zones?
This is going, like, this is, I don't know. Oh, because it's actually on something that has a drop zone, so, you know what I'm saying?
It shows you all the
There's
wrenches.
a drop zone, like this works in the drop zone.
Yeah. Looks nasty. Like it's gonna poke you.
It looks kind of cool.
Throw it up in the air.
Oh, it just froze because it attached to the drop zone. It attached to one of those drop zones. You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
It's like,
yeah.
It's like attaching to it. That's weird.